So this is the wrap-up for the live market open for Friday. Happy Friday, April 15th. I'm Yohay. Well, I said that in the beginning. We have a positive mood in markets because of stable Chinese data, but there are also doubts that this growth is based on too much government spending, too much easy credit that just creates bigger bubbles, and fears that this kind of growth, due to this growth, 6.7 as expected, with better retail sales, better industrial output, will not have more stimulus. So markets are a bit mixed, a bit confused. We've seen an optimistic mood, but very, very cautious. In the US, there's no rush to raise rates after inflation missed once again, and we had heard some Fed officials sort of taking their time. For the yen, we had an earthquake in Japan with a few people killed over there, and this weighs on dollar yen, helps the Japanese yen. Data yesterday, well, the biggest topics we talked about. The Bank of England is very worried about a Brexit, but that's not new, and that did not move markets. This morning we have UK construction output, not that important. Eurozone trade balance, this could be a bit more important. The Eurozone continues enjoying a high surplus thanks to Germany. Canadian manufacturing sales and the US Empire State Manufacturing Index could give us, all our figures related to manufacturing, Empire State, and the US industrial output. Okay, these are we have seen some improvement in the US manufacturing sector, but perhaps it's not enough. Perhaps the most important release for today is at 2 GMT. US consumer sentiment expected to advance. It's for the month of April. It's a preliminary figure, supposed to give us some hope after the weak retail sales report earlier this week. Perhaps this will give us some hope for more consumption in the beginning of the second quarter. Okay, regarding currencies, we are very stable right here. Very narrow range, euro, dollar at 112.60, 112.50 weak support, followed by 112.15, resistance 113.35 and 114.60. Pound dollar at a narrow range, 141.54, 141.25 and 140.50. Our support, resistance at 141.75 and 142.20. Okay, dollar yen a bit lower after that earthquake report, but still holding above support at 109. 107.65 is further support. Resistance 110, 111. Dollar CAD 128.10, waiting for that Doha meeting. 127.50 is support. 128.30 weak resistance, followed by 129.30. Aussie dollar struggling to break higher ground despite the good news from China. 77.40 is the next line of resistance. 76.40 is support. Kiwi dollar surprises. It stands out with significant rise this morning. It bounced off the lowest support line at 68.20. The next line of resistance as 69.80. Okay. Yeah, I see here some comments at the end of this wrap. Well, use this if your trade goes wrong. Yeah, some funny images here. Thanks, guys. Anyway, now let's move on to the preview for next week's events.